which Philippine law aims to provide accessible education for learners with disabilities and mandates the establishment of SPED centers in schools. Sige nga, patingin nga kung naaalala ang ating law. Tumpiyahin na naman po tayong lahat dahil ang tamang sagot ay si RA 7277. Dito tayo sa letter B, si Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013. Ano po kasi ito? The K to 12 law, okay? This is focused on basic education reform, okay? Although meron kasing stated dito about sa inclusive education, pero not specifically about learners with disabilities itong law na to. Early Childhood Care and Development Act naman, ayan, ito si RA 8980. Okay? So itong act na ito is focused on 0 to 4 years old and early learning programs naman. Si Philippine Disability Act, ito medyo tricky to ha. Actually, this is an informal name pero there's no law officially titled the Philippine Disability Act. Answer natin ay si 7277. Ito pakatandaan po ninyo dahil madalas po itong lumalabas. Tandaan nyo lang, 7277 Magna Carta.